Here is our ultra slim card wallet for those times when you're out for the evening and don't want to have a bulky wallet in your pocket. This fits snugly and securely in your front pocket or rear pocket. Has a very small footprint. It also features a pocket or some cash if you need to have that on hand. You never know when you need cash. Card pockets always on our products fit 1 to 2 cards easily. So you're not limited just to 1 card per pocket. You can store 4 cards for your evening out. This particular unit is being brought to you by us here at Copper Shine Stills and Leather Designs. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, touch that bell icon. It'll alert you every time we upload a new video, so you can be one of the first people to watch it. You can also check us out on Instagram at CSS Leather Designs. Check out all of our photos there of new products. As we release them, we put up new photos. This particular unit is made with Horween Derby, and it is in the finish of English tan, complemented by red tiger thread stitching and red hot foil embossing. We also can monogram or a custom short logo. All of our orders are shipped USPS priority mail. When we make shipment, we also email you to let you know so you can track your package to make sure when and where your package is at in the process. We'd like to thank you again for joining us. Remember, give us a like and a subscribe. That lets YouTube know that we're doing a good job and you like us. Check us out on Instagram at CSS Leather Designs. Thank you again. We hope you all have a great day. Bye now.